and it will bring me to it immediately. And it's recording that whole time, so you kind of want to work quickly to get there. But this is an example. Like, I mean, not every topic in chemistry is super exciting. And so I could take this thing, which would just, it's got a lot of detail to it. There's all these different steps. None of the individual steps are particularly tough. But for me to stand up at the front of the class and explain all the steps is really boring for the kids. So now I can go through this. As I go through, I'm going to use a couple different things. So I'll use like the text box to write in equations. I'll use the arrows and the lines to point out things. I'll use the markers to highlight, circle, underline things, draw some simple things. But I mean, essentially, I do a lecture, right? And because I've got the notebook files made, I tend not to leave details out. Sometimes you're in the middle of something, you forget about a whole part of the topic, right? But if it's set up, you know, sometimes I click to the next slide. I'm like, oh yeah, now I'm going to talk about that. Like I almost forgot, you know? And so it gives me the opportunity to sort of do a better lecture, I think, and to do it out in class. So when we're done, you can either click down here and you can pause,